What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. The audio didn't actually get a plan on this video, but I'm enjoying the 360 footage as it is, so I hope you can appreciate it for what it is. It looks quite nice, there's some fun, fast bits at the end. It's just a cruise around town really, just pop to the shops and back. Just a friendly warning for headphone users, this does get a little bit aggressive on the ears, so yeah, watch your headphones. By the time you're seeing this video, I'm probably in Ireland doing a big loop on the Africa Twin. And I'm planning on filming a bunch of it, so hopefully keep your eyes peeled. You might be able to see some of that in the coming weeks. And yeah, hope you guys ride safe, have a good weekend, peace out.